So we're going to program this in-class activity into Excel. We have 3,500 gallons of gasoline spilled into an area 10 feet by 20 feet in rectangular area. So the first thing we need to do is put in our knowns. So we need, we know it's gasoline, so we need the m dot double prime for gasoline is 0.0. To get the regression rate, we need the m dot double prime 0.055. This is kilograms per meter squared second. And we need the density, rho, which is 740 kilograms per meter cubed. So we can get our regression rate is equal to, so we're going to divide m dot divided by the density, divided by the density. And so all we do is put equals, click on square A or B1, and then divided by, click on B2, hit enter. So there's our 7.4 times 10 to the negative fifth meters per second. Next, we need to find our volume in meters cubed. So we know that we have, this is going to be a rectangular volume. Okay, so I'm going to move this down a little bit. So we're going to length in feet and width in feet. So this is going to be 10 and 20. That's our length and width of this particular example. If you're not using a rectangular surface area, if we have a circular surface area, you'll have to change this line a little bit. So the area is going to be equal to the length times the width, and that's in feet cubed, so we're going to divide by the quantity, 3.28 squared. And that gets us our 18.6. 3.28 squared. There's 3.28 feet in 1 meter. This was the area. We just do that tilde up to. This is the area, not the volume. Sorry. It's meters squared. It's going to be a good recording. Full of mistakes. Love it. So the volume, volume of gasoline we're given is 3,500 gallons. And so the volume in terms of meters cubed, we're going to take our number of gallons divided by, or multiplied by 3.685 liters per gallon. So times 3.685 liters per gallon, and then divided by 1,000 liters per meter cubed. And that gets us our 12.9 meters cubed. And then our burn duration, time for burnout, in terms of seconds, is equal to our volume divided by the area divided by the regression rate. And so we get 9,300, and we can calculate this in minutes. If we go equals our seconds divided by 60, and we can get the number of hours if we take our number of seconds and divide by 3,600. And we might highlight this red for the output, and these are yellow for the inputs. And if we wanted a grid outlined around it, we could put in borders.
What was the burnout calculation?
It is. So it's up here, it's V9, which is the volume, divided by V8, which is the area, divided by the regression rate, which is V3.
What was the one for volume?
Volume is, we have V4, which is our number of gallons, divided by 3.685, which is the number of liters per gallon, divided by 1,000, which is how many liters are in a meters cubed.
There we go. Thank you.
All right. So I'm going to